Alright, so here is I'm just gonna go over the process of, getting the product, finding it on AliExpress, and making the product listing, all that, blah blah blah. So right here we found a product. Um, right click on it, click search Google image. I already did this just to make it all faster, so you'll click search Google image. It'll pull up this screen. You gotta type in AliExpress up here. Go click right here, click on one of the AliExpress things and you'll find it. I clicked on this one and found this. So here we have the actual product that was here. And then we will add it to the import list. And then we'll go to Oberlo, right? We found the import list right here. Now we have this. Now you want to make sure you don't have to write the product description in Oberlo, but you do need to make the title in Oberlo, because whenever you push it to the shop, whenever you click push to shop on Oberlo, whatever title you have in here, where it's highlighted, whatever title you have there is going to make the link, right? It'll be like, like the link will be like mywebsite.com/professional-away-remover-and-finish, and we don't want that. We want it to be short, and we want it to be the same as the title of the product. So what we're going to make is, let's see, we're going to make it this. We're going to make it called the Caulk Away Pro Tile Finisher. Alright, and just add it to a collection. I'm going to be making more collections shortly, and you'll just add it to probably, there's going to be always a collection that's just going to be random stuff. Most of the stuff is just going to be random stuff. Sometimes you'll be dealing with clothing or like shoes or a hat or something. But most of the time, you're just going to put it in this assorted luxury. So we have that there. We can leave that description. We'll change that in Shopify. The variants, right now, we only have one variant. But if you have more than one variant, you always want to change the prices and the compare all prices in Oberlo. Because if you don't do it in Oberlo, you will have to change them one at a time in Shopify. So what you want to do is, right, so we have the product that is the Caulk Away Pro Tile Finisher. Now let's go on Amazon and find the price. Let's look up Caulk Away Pro. This is pretty close. Okay, $12.07. So they sell, let's see, they sell for about, let's see, there's 12, that one's $26, that one's $63. Wow. Okay, so let's just say they sell for about 20 bucks. Real quick, I'm gonna check and see what that other website was selling it for. 14 bucks. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna want to look at about how much they're selling for on Amazon, and then at the compare as price, type in about, 1.5 to 2 times what the price is that they were selling for on Amazon. So we're going to say it was selling for about 20 bucks on Amazon. So we're going to type in the compare apps price as $34.99. And then, because I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set all the real prices myself, but what I'm gonna have you do is whenever you push it to Shopify, whenever you click push to shop, just before that, set all the prices at $111, okay? And just apply that, and because whenever I'm in Shopify, I can search for products based on how much I'm selling them for, so I can simply just search $111 and it'll pull up all the new products that you recently made. So I'll go in and I'll change the prices later. then you want to look at the images. That's pretty good. Just, we can leave it at that one image click. Sometimes you'll click on a product and it will have like 20 images selected. You don't want that. Whenever you make a product listing on Shopify, you want there to be, for product images, you want there to be at most like 5. Now, if there's more than 5 variants, say it's a phone case and it comes in 10 different colors, then that's fine. You can leave all 10 of those images for the 10 different colors. But if it doesn't, like for example there's only one variant, we're going to want to just leave it with one picture, maybe 2 pictures, but none of the other pictures are really that good. So we'll just leave it with one picture for now. And now we will push it to shop. Okay? So now that we are in here, we can go all products. We're gonna have to refresh the page since we just sent it there. Now we're going to search for we'll just search for caulk right here. So you're gonna want to type in the description. Usually what I do is or what I'm gonna have you do is basically you'll start at the top. If you're writing this on a PC or a Mac, get this this extension called Emoji for Google Chrome, as you can see right there. You can use that to copy and paste all the iPhone emojis, which is really good. So you're going to want to, select emoji. Let's just say a happy face for now. We'll use this one. We'll use that. And you're going to want to paste it in here twice. Oh my gosh, why is it, hold on. Okay, and then in between those, you're going to want to make it bold, and you are going to write free shipping on all orders. Alright, so that just lets them know that we have free shipping, people like that. It makes them more likely to buy the product. And now, you'll write about a paragraph about the product. I'll actually look on here, look at what they have. Let's see, if you want the handiest tool, blah, blah, blah. Alright, let's just go. I'm not even gonna write one here. I'm not gonna take the time. You don't need to. You know how to do that. So yeah, just whenever you're doing this, you'll write a description here. You'll go, write the description. Now you'll go down here, click bullet list, or actually, then you'll space down like that. In bold, you'll type features. And then below that, you'll do a bulleted list, and you'll go, it does this, you'll type out all this stuff that it does, and that is, right? So you'll type out all the stuff that it does. And then what you're going to want to do is, like I mentioned earlier, you're going to want to try to find a video of the product being used. Now let's see if we can do that. So we're just going to search caulk away. Look, right here.
This is a video response to the question, the caulk away tool actually being used and showing it strip result or redo. You push in, they actually flex. That allows you to get in and really start to push in that are flexible. Redo on a bathroom. What you've got here is.
So this is a good video of it. Real quick, I'm gonna see if we can find a shorter one. All right, here. This one is 35 seconds. That's good.
The number one mistake
We'll have to wait for this ad.
Is the fact that you're not using advertisements like this.
Skip ad.
Removing and smoothing caulk around tubs, showers, and sinks.
All right, that's a low quality video. We're just gonna go ahead and use this one, this first one. Now, what you're gonna want to do is whenever you find a good high quality video, make it a decent quality video. You're gonna want to find where they really start talking about how to use the product, right? So if it's a video, say by a big YouTube channel, and they have like a 10-second long intro, you don't want to include that in what we put in the product description, right? Nobody cares about that. So what we're going to do is find where they start talking about how the product works, or just find where the video really starts. Right here, it's about 28 seconds, I think. Let's watch.
On a bathroom. What you've got here is you've got these wings that are flexible that allow you to get into the corner once you...
Yeah, so right about at 28 seconds, he starts and he says, so what we got here is we got these wings that are flexible, and they get right into the corner. You saw that, right? Watch, he's about to say it.
These wings that are flexible that allow you to get into the corner once...
Alright, so that's good. This is a good video, but we don't want the first 28 seconds. And so here's how we're going to embed it into the Shopify description. We're going to click Share. Now we're going to click Embed. We're going to uncheck those boxes. The only box we want left checked is this one. And then we're going to click this box, and we're going to type in wherever it is that we want it to start at. For us, for this video, it is 28 seconds. Watch, it's going to play right where we want it to start.
What you've got here is you've got these wings that are flexible that allow you to get...
Look, that's perfect, because the first 28 seconds, he really just talks about what he does and how he used it in some renovation or whatever. We don't want that. We only want after the first 28 seconds. Now we're going to click Copy. We're going to go down here. We're going to tab down, make sure that it's centered, and then we're going to click this right here, Insert Video. We're going to paste what we just copied from YouTube, insert video, click Save too, and there we go. Perfect, right there. Somebody's going to be able to watch that video and they're going to say, wow, that is a great product. And then, let's see, on this particular product, hold on. Anyway, let's just overview what it looks like first. See if there's, make sure it's all good. Look at that, right? Usually what we would do is, we'd have the actual product description right there, and it'd be longer. And then I will talk about how to write reviews in a second too. But one other thing is that this product, in particular, it doesn't have multiple variants. Now, just for the sake of showing you how to do this, I'm going to add a variant. You know what? No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to show you how to do this on another product. So right here we have this thing, and you don't need to make your product descriptions this long. They only need to be one paragraph. But see how they have, they have a lot of variants. Now what you want to make sure is that you want to make sure that these variants say the right thing. Because sometimes when we import it from AliExpress, say for example, it is a let me think. Just say, what if it's a oh, I don't even know. I'm trying to think of an example. What if we're just going to use a phone case. What if it's a phone case, and instead of saying iPhone model here, it just says, what if it says color or variant or something? We don't want it to say that. We want it to say iPhone model, because that's what it is. They're choosing the iPhone model, right? It would be weird, or let's even say, what if you uploaded a hoodie, and as from the way you uploaded it from AliExpress, it says where the size should be, it says model. You don't want it to say model where it should say size. I mean, that would be weird. It would be weird if you went to a website and you were trying to click on what size you wanted for a shirt you were going to buy, but instead of saying size, it said model. Like, that doesn't even make sense, right? So you're going to want to change that. So we can go in right here and we can change it. So let's say, for example, we get it off AliExpress and it says, it says variant. Okay, well, we're going to want to change that. So we're going to close that out. We're going to make it say iPhone model, because this is a phone case. It's made for particular iPhone models. So we're going to save that, right? And then what you can do is also, whenever you upload it from AliExpress, a lot of the times the variants right here, they're going to they're not always going to say the right thing. Like whenever, so for example, whenever I download this from AliExpress for iPhone 6 Plus, it may say this. It may say iPhone 6 Plus. Now we don't want it to say that. That looks weird. That looks unprofessional and weird. So we're going to shorten it and we're just going to make it say 6 Plus, right? Perfect. Very good. And now we can look and we can, I'll show you this. This is a very good finished product. Wait for it to load all the way. And now, we have our product description, free shipping at checkout, our features list down here, a few other products, or a few other pictures of the product, and it has the right variants, right? It has iPhone model X, 6S. I mean, imagine how silly that would look if this, instead of iPhone model, it said variant, or it said size, and down here it said for iPhone X, all written out in big letters, and for iPhone 6. That would just look weird. But so we change it and we make it look good. Now I'm going to talk about adding reviews. For each product, we want to add 2 to 5 reviews. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to go down here to apps and click on Ali Reviews. You're going to go to Get Reviews. You are going to look at the product that you just uploaded, and you are going to go to that site on AliExpress. You're going to copy the link. You're going to click Add Review. Oh, we need to delete some reviews. Hold on a second. I need to find a product that I can delete the reviews off of because I'm limited. I need to buy the full package so that way we can do unlimited product reviews. Let's see what it says. All right, this right here, we can delete these. I don't need those. So hold on while it's loading. This is taking a long time. Okay, so now that we're all good, we can go back and whenever you are doing this, you will not have this problem. But we go in here, we paste the link, we click next. We're going to change this number to 10. We're going to click Get All. And we're going to go to Get Reviews. And it'll take a few minutes. Now we're going to click Check More. It's going to open up this page. What I like to do is whenever I open it, I like to unpublish all of them, make sure there's none published. And then I like to go through and so our target audience is the US. Now we want to make these reviews. Now you can see down here what country they're from. This is from Russia, this is from, Israel, Kazakhstan, so they have their country down there. We want to make these the countries that are as close to America as possible, or that are the most first world countries as possible. So Israel's a good one. Russia's a good one. We'll do this one to we can just leave it at 3. And then what we want to do is we want to make sure that the customers know that these aren't fake reviews. And these aren't. These are actual real reviews from the AliExpress page. But if they see that all the reviews, right now we have 3, check. If they see that all the reviews are 5 stars, they're going to be suspicious. So we want to make at least one of them a 4-star review. We'll save it. And now, as you see, we do have to, even though this field is required, even if it wasn't, we still need to write about a sentence in most of them. So what we want to do is we are going to say, because what are we writing a review for? We're writing a review for the Calcaway Pro. So we're going to say, really, really great tool. Let's make sure it's all spelled correctly. Buying more as gifts, because it saves so much time. Now we're going to go down here to this other one that we have on, and we're going to say, works like a charm. And then some of them, none of these have a photo, but some of them will have a picture. And if they have a picture, look at the picture, make sure that it's a good picture. If it's not a good picture, then just go ahead and delete the pictures off of the review. And we can leave some of them blank, so we'll just leave this one blank. And then just so you know, though, the status, whenever it says published, that means it will show up on the product page. If it's not published, it won't. So now we can just go back. It will save them to the product page. Now we can go on here. We'll refresh it, and we will be able to see that there are reviews. There are now... It's going to take a second to load. But and see, now we have 3 reviews because we just activated 3 reviews. Works like a charm, really great tool, and this person who didn't say anything. So that's really good, right? So that's basically how you make a good product description and a good product listing, and that's how you do it. That's all for the training videos. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can contact me on Skype. There may be a few things in the future that I'll teach you how to do as well. But for now, that's all. Thank you.